Betsy yn y bocs.
Hey ho, Betsy yn y bocs.
Betsy yn y bocs, Zachary. Ydy hi'n sgwâr? Na, gydaw. Ydy hi'n triongl? Ydy hi'n cylch? So Betsy yn y bocs, Zachary. Mae cylch yn y bocs, da iawn.
Betsy in the box. Hey ho, Betsy in the box. Betsy in the bag. Betsy in the box.
Pwy sy'n gallu helpu? Who can help Theodore? Evie, Betsy yn y bocs. Da iawn, mae Petriol yn y bocs.
No, beautiful. I hope he doesn't go to the field again. Betsy in the box. Betsy in the box. Hey ho, Betsy in the box. Oh, I thought there was real again. Oh, it's still in the box. Here.
Da iawn, pa lliw ydy cylch? Da iawn, sawl un?
What are you doing? Evie. Look at what you're close. Betsy in the box. Betsy in the box. Hey ho, Betsy in the box. Oh, you look at Evie. I hope he's going to choose Theo again. Theo again? No, not
Eva, gwrandawch.
Betsy in the box. Theodore, don't touch me. I can help you.
So edrychwch ar y siap. Look at the shape, Theodore. Pa siap ydy hwn?
Theodore.
Fion Betsy yn y bocs.
My squad in a box.
Da iawn.